Did you know that 97% of recruiters rely on LinkedIn when searching for qualified candidates? In today's competitive job market, a great LinkedIn profile can be just as important as your resume. If you're ready to take full advantage of LinkedIn and use it to land more job interviews, you're in the right place. I'm Amanda Augustine, your resident career expert here at Top Resume. And in this video, I'll walk you through my tips for creating a standout LinkedIn profile that will have recruiters taking notice. A great LinkedIn profile is a powerful tool in your job search. Along with your resume, your LinkedIn profile should serve to create a cohesive picture of the professional you. You'll want to make sure it accurately represents your skills, experiences, and achievements while also showcasing your unique personal brand. If you're creating a LinkedIn profile from scratch, make sure to focus on the most visible sections at the top of the page. Add a professional headshot, cover photo, and headline. Your headline doesn't just have to be your job title. It can also mention your areas of expertise or the types of work you're open to. The About section is a great way to create a compelling story by weaving all of your previous work experience together in a concise paragraph or two. Now we can add in skills and work experience with a format that's similar to what you would use on your resume. You can also add your education along with additional sections that you might not have room for on your resume, like certifications, memberships, or publications. By posting regularly on the platform, you can present yourself as someone who's knowledgeable in your field. Make sure to optimize your LinkedIn profile with relevant keywords in order to rank higher in recruiter searches. You can do this by looking at job descriptions that interest you and incorporating key qualifications and skills throughout your profile. Now it's time to use LinkedIn to launch your job search by adding an open to work banner and asking for endorsements from your connections. Connect with hiring managers through targeted messages that mention your most impressive achievement or something you both have in common. Take your job search even further by joining and actively participating in LinkedIn groups that are specific to your target industry and profession. Not only will this help you connect with valuable networking contacts, but recruiters are also going to use these groups to find qualified candidates. And that's it. Now you know the basics of crafting an effective LinkedIn profile that will get you hired. For more personalized help, consider working with one of Top Resume's LinkedIn profile writers to elevate your professional online brand and get you noticed faster. I'm Amanda Augustine for Top Resume. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with our latest career advice. See you soon.